Hello scrubbers. I got today's load in. Got quite a bit. You know, some just regular, just, you know, a little bit of shred and quite a bit of short iron stuff. Now this air conditioner here probably works. It was inside the shed. He said take it. More was inside the shed too, but I don't know. Yeah, it's got the cover off the air cleaner missing and the hood was off of it. So 46-inch cut, Husqvarna. This one does have the Husqvarna plate on the back. I'll show that to you. Walk around, got a little metal file cabinet. But here under the seat it does say Husqvarna. I'll go ahead and leave this tilted up and pull the battery out before I drag it off. Now, I got quite a bit of mixed stuff in here. And I got some decent pipe. I got this is in one of the other buildings. He said take it, and I think it's the same brand as the one I've got, my roll around battery charger. So I'm gonna pull it off here in a minute and hook it up. If it works, I might get it on the video. And I got 2 propane bottles. The green one's the older style. This one's got the newer style valve, so I can take it in and get it exchanged. Or give it to my daughter, one or the other. I've got 16 bottles, 20-pound bottles right now, so do I need a 17th one? Can't have too many, right? But yeah, I got electric motor right there. And you know, a lot of short iron. And inside this, I guess it's the dairy building, there's a metal table. It's bigger than that one right there, and it's got a heavy-duty piece of angle iron going across, and it's up against the wall. So I'm going to have to take the angle grinder over there, cut it off, and the cordless one. And then there's a door on each side of the building, and he's got a great big metal workbench on the east door, and which he said he wants to keep that. He said his brother-in-law or father-in-law, whatever, he's got ALS, and they don't expect him to live too much longer. Then his wife will inherit this house, and got quite a bit of stuff. Out back there's a cement slab. It's got a big old, looks like homemade hydraulic log splitter, and a part of a spike drag where that one big table is on the west door. I can't really get in there with the car hauler because there's a fence out there and there's a basketball hoop. Now what I'm thinking, if I could get in there about 90 degrees to that basketball hoop, I can put a snatch block on the basketball hoop and then drag that big table out the west door. But before I do that, I got 4 or 5 trash bags full of aluminum cans I'm going to have to bag up, because there's a big pile of cans in there. I got some really good goodies other than, well, that air conditioner is a pretty nice goodie. If this thing works, that's a nice goodie. Mine like this, the 2 amp works, the 2 amp slow charge, and the 35 amp fast charge work, but the 200 engine boost doesn't work on mine. Looks like that's what they got it set on right now. So that'd be interesting if it does work. Anyway, this is one thing he saw sitting out there. The case was open. He put it in the case and said, take it. Are you ready for this? And I got it upside down. Wouldn't you know it? Mouthpiece and everything. So it's been open, so it's got all kinds of trash in there, but can you believe that? Yeah. Feels pretty good too. So yeah. I like brass. Speaking of brass, inside that one building, I got, had my little flashlight with me. I'm talking about little flashlight. I'm talking little flashlight. But this thing is got some brightness to it. Yep, that these were scattered all over, these brass fittings, and then there's a couple look like that, whatever they are. I got 2 of those, and I think about 14 of these big brass like nuts. But anyway, I picked up a lot of these. Now some of these we got, you know, just our splice or butt connector, whatever you want to call that, coupling, and then you know, it's just a couple different sizes it looks like. So I'll probably keep some of those. This I'm not really sure what it goes to, but I had to look around, found this oil container. We got the scale zeroed out here. Set that on the scale. 7 pounds 3 ounces. So that's roughly 7 pounds of brass right there. $2 a pound. That's about 14 bucks. So that's a pretty nice little haul. And then that horn. I'm going to pause the video real quick and we'll see if that battery charger works, and we'll go from there. Okay, I got it hooked up, plugged in. I'm not sure if it's working. Sounds like it's working, but watching this gauge, if you watch the gauge, I'll put it on 2 amp. You can hear the low hum, but the amp gauge didn't move at all. Now I'll select it down to 35 amp. You'll hear the difference. You hear that transformer, you know, working. You can hear the hum got a lot louder, but still amp gauge isn't moving. That engine boost, much louder. But I don't know if we're getting any output, so not sure if that's working or not, but it'd be worth taking the top off and looking inside, see if I see anything wrong. So I'm going to call it a video, get the battery out of that, and get it and start getting stuff unloaded. I may go ahead and just leave the truck or trailer hooked up because I got 3 riders to pick up tomorrow, some push mowers, some other stuff. So I'll just leave the hook up where it's ready to go. It's going to be cooler tomorrow, but probably won't be as humid. Yeah, storms are coming in, so it's 20 after 2 now. They're supposed to be here around 4 or 5 o'clock. So like I say, I'll get busy on this, get that battery charger inside under the roof, take the horn into my wife and get that battery out of there, and put the air conditioner in dry storage. And I'll try to get some video of some of the stuff I bring in tomorrow. And like I said, I got some pieces of sucker rod here, some good heavy short iron stuff. So some of it has to be cut down. A lot of it's ready to go in the wheelbarrow and go right out to the pile. So I'll probably bring the wheelbarrow over here as I unload some of that. And anything under 3 foot, I can just take it right out to the pile, throw it in the wheelbarrow. So we'll get going, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give you an update on what I'm doing. Trying to get that loaded so I can, when I get it unloaded, drop it and hook up the car hauler to go after that other stuff. So we'll see. Hopefully I can get, by this weekend, I can get the other washer and dryer on there and get that load ready to go. So we'll catch you guys in the next video. Happy scrapping. Bye-bye.